Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to turn off video autoplay on Facebook app. This will be a very quick and easy tutorial. Let's start off by opening our Facebook app. Now I want you to click the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of the screen. And here, scroll all the way down to Settings and Privacy. And click on Settings. And once you are already in this page, I want you to scroll down until you see Media. Click on that. You can see Autoplay. And if you want to turn off video autoplay, you just need to click on Never Autoplay Videos. And that's it. That's how you turn off video autoplay on the Facebook app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!